Okay guys, today I will tell you how to translate the page of WordPress plugin. It's very easy and you can do it using various ways. If you are running a multi-language site, then obviously you need a multi-site translator plugin like WPML. But if your site is only single language site, then you don't need WPML plugin. You just can do this with local translate plugin or Polygon plugin. There are many more other plugins. You can also do this by using PO editor, but that's a little complex. While you are using WordPress, why don't you benefit from the plugins which are already available to do these things? I'll do a little translation in front of you in French language. So see, let's how to do it. First of all, first of all you have to note that the labels like this, they are not translatable with plugins. Only the theme files, strings like these strings, settings, taxes, and labels which are coming from plugin files. But the strings like here, whatever you type, you have to type that in your language. That is not translatable. Correct. So first of all, let's install the plugin local translate. Go to plugins, add new, and type here local translate. Local translate plugin. Right now my site's language is English, but I will switch it to French language also. Now to switch your site's language, go to settings. First go to local translate, then select the plugin which you want to translate. Click on new language. It's telling you which language is available in the plugin and which is not. And if your language is not available, then click on new language. Select the WordPress language. No language selected. French. French. And now it's asking you where you want to install keep the file of translation. If you keep the file of translation inside our plugin like computer repair shop languages, then you have to save its backup. Otherwise, whenever you will update the plugin, as this is not part of the plugin, the language file, then you will lose your translation. So it's important that you keep your translation better in languages local plugin computer repair shop French plugin. This location is better, and yes, this is a better location. This is also good. Start translating. I think you are ready to translate now. Now you see all strings here, like here you have to type your translation. I will use Google Translator for now because I don't know how to translate in French. So just to tell you, French account links, actions, and let's see how to check your job status. The front end string, search it, select it, copy and paste here. Also software you can check the job. And from backend Well, I will also translate couple of strings like services, parts, devices, services, parts. There are many strings to translate which I cannot translate everything in this video. I am just giving you a tutorial so you can translate in any language you want. Parts and devices. If you think you have translated the plugin 100%, then you can also send us the translation file so we can make that part of the plugin. So anytime you update the plugin, you do not lose any translations. Also, okay, and from settings page, let's translate something from settings page. Plugin settings, name, computer repairer, like only this one. This will be the last string I will be translating for this video. The rest you have to do yourself. Okay, done. Let's save it. Okay, PO file saved and MO file compiled. That means your site is ready to use. Plugin is ready to work in language French. French France. I think it's that one. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's translated, it's translated, it's translated, it's translated, and in front view, this one also translated. I hope that helps you. Have any question? Let us know. Thank you.